Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bhajia, and as you know, it's a very nice Swahili delicacy. It's all about potatoes and it's super yummy. If you've never had bhajia, then you have to try out this recipe because the end product is going to be absolutely delicious. So this recipe is quick, easy and very simple, as I've said. So in a large bowl, I'll add my gram flour. You can find gram flour at a well-stocked supermarket or even your local supermarket. Actually, it's readily available. So I've added 1 cup gram flour. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. If you have corn flour, you can as well use that. Next I'll add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, coriander. Once you're done mixing the ingredients in your bowl, you're going to move over to your potatoes. So you're going to peel your potatoes, slice them, then you're going to wash them until the water is not cloudy. Then this is the shape you should have. Now you're going to move over to your ingredient bowl. Then you're going to add a little bit of water as you whisk, or as you can use a spatula or a whisk. So I'm going to add a little water at a time. So what you're looking for is a thick paste. So as you can see how the consistency is looking, so it's a little bit very thick. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of extra water. Then I'll mix again. So you also check on your seasoning. If it's not okay, you can add a little bit more salt. We want our bhajias to be well seasoned. Then mix once more. Adding turmeric adds an extra color because the gram flour is usually pale yellow. So you just add a little bit of turmeric so that you can get a very nice color. So this is the right consistency that you should have. So next I'm going to add a little portion of my sliced potatoes. Don't add too much. Then I'm going to cover this with the paste. Here's a very good tip for you for making very delicious bhajias. Let the potatoes sit in the paste for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you're done, you're going to move over to the stove top, and on medium-high flame, you're going to add cooking oil to your frying pan. Check if your oil is hot using a wooden skewer, or you can use your wooden spatula. If you notice bubbles, then your oil is hot. I'm going to use my small tongs to pick the potatoes, then put them in the oil. You want to pick one at a time because once you overcrowd the pan, or once you pick many, they're going to stick on each other. So also avoiding overcrowding makes the bhajia crispy. You're going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes while turning using your skimmer. So my first batch is ready and it's looking amazing. So I'll put this in a paper towel to drain excess oil. Then I'll add my next batch. You can also use your hands to put the potatoes in the oil. And also don't forget to shake off excess flour. As we wait for our last batch of potatoes to fry, I'm going to make salsa. So I have a mini processor over here. I'm going to add 2 small tomatoes, 1 medium onion, coriander. Next, I'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to cover this. Then I'm going to pulse this. That is enough. And as you can see, this is how it's looking. Then I'll remove this from my machine and scoop out into a little cute ball. These bhajias are crispy and very delicious, and the aroma in the kitchen, yeah, it's out of this world. Especially the coriander. The coriander has given the kitchen a very nice smell. So I'm going to give one a try. So good. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy watching me cook this bhajia or make this bhajia, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Bye.